In this video, I'm going to give you a little bit about the layout, but more about the techie things they've added this aft-facing penthouse with large balcony. Click on the video at the end to get more details about the layout of this HC room. When you first walk in, there are 3 glass shelves holding all different types of cups and glasses that are set up prettily. Underneath that area is a large marble counter for putting any type of knickknack. Below the counter is 4 cabinet doors, which each have 2 deep shelves in them that are great for storing odds and ends. Next to the cabinets is this pull-out, which I think may be a garbage can, but I'm not sure. It's really awkward, and I'm not really sure what it's for. Back on the counter, they have an espresso machine with many types of coffee. They have teas, they have honeys, they have sugars, creamers, anything you possibly want for your coffee set up. Below the counter is where your mini bar is. We have them empty it out and only provide for us daily iced tea and chilled water. After your counter is your large armoire. Inside, you will find your life jackets, coat hangers. If you need more, ask the butler and he'll get you more. Your robes, your umbrella, your slippers, and your shoe carriers pull out. After the armoire begins another large countertop, a large lighted mirror, and a magnifying mirror. Underneath the countertop is a cute stool. Next, you have your flat screen TV, and then you also have 6 drawers that are underneath the countertop. The one thing to note is the top left drawer has your hair dryer in it. The hair dryer is wired into that drawer and the cable is short, so I end up actually using my own hair dryer to be able to dry my hair. Then there also is the door that allows this room to open up and connect to a normal aft-facing balcony that's next door. When you walk out on the balcony, you'll notice that the balcony will also open up to the aft-facing balcony room that's next door, so you can have a family suite by putting the 2 rooms together. The balcony is very large. One thing I do not like is that they've now put in place 2 chairs versus the loungers and a little table that's only good for you putting your feet on. Back in the main room, you've got the king-size bed with amazing linens. You can ask your concierge for different types of pillows, and underneath the bed actually is completely hollow so that you can store your suitcases. Just past the bed is a little sitting area with a chair and a heavy table. I use the table to prop the bathroom door open so I didn't have to keep opening that heavy door. The new bathroom design on the Haven rooms are actually really nice. You have a sink which has a large area underneath it and it lights up during the night. You have your toilet area. Then they have added in these great shelves that are deep and can hold tons of stuff. I was really impressed by these. My favorite part of the bathroom is the walk-in shower. Your towels hang just above you walk in. The only thing I didn't like is that little silver shelf. I hit my elbow on it all the time. But you have your shower head that comes loose. Then you have your conditioner, shampoo, gel, which is wonderful. And you have a little foot place so you can put your foot when you shave.
When you do that, if you notice, it drops the lights down dimmer. You got the various settings right here to control. So you want to turn this light on right here. It's push on the end to turn it on. Same, turn it off. This first switch right here is the master for the entire room. So I do that, and it kills all the lights in the room. And do that again. Lights come back on, and this switch right here, light underneath there, is this switch over here, and if I turn it off, it does that. The mirror is lighted. The light for the mirror is right here. Or turn it off. This light over here, switch is right by it, and it has a dimmer to control how bright or how dim you want it, and then switch again, turn that light off. So the phone, this is your room phone. It's a cordless room phone, works anywhere on the ship. It's the same phone that the butlers use and things like that, so you can call any room on the ship. You can call guest services. You could call the concierge. If you want to call another room, it's the room number with a 3 on the end of it.
If you found this video helpful, click on our faces to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the rest of our adventures. Plus, if you want to see more details about this type of room or any other Haven rooms, click on these other videos so you can get more details and a better understanding of all the renovations that they've done on the Haven.